Up YouTube, today I'm going to show you how to use gestures on your OnePlus 5T. Go to settings and then go down to gestures, and let's see here where it says draw zero, you click on it, and then in whatever app you want to use to let's say you wanted to use, I don't know, like your gallery. Every time your phone is off, you don't have to use the power button. All you do is you draw a circle on your phone when it's off on the black screen, and it should take you directly into gallery. But if you choose, I don't know, V, you draw a V on your phone, it should take you to calculator or whatever you choose. Or like I chose M for a flashlight. I just draw an M on the black screen, and it takes me directly to a flashlight. Here's some other ones, like double tap to wake up the screen, or long press to take a photo. I hope this video helped out. Like and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys next time. Later.